Namaskar, मैं CA Manmohan Jindal. Today we shall discuss the importance of wearing seat belt on the rear seat. So, few days back, we have heard a shocking news on the untimely death of Tata Sons ex-chairman Cyprus Mistry in a car accident. The car was having 7 airbags, though the persons had not wear the rear seat belt, and the impact proved fatal. After this accident, Government of India may issue new guidelines for compulsion of wearing seat belt on the rear seat. 2 days back, I was in Delhi, where Uber driver has told me to wear seat belt at the rear seat. So it is also in our favor to wear the seat belt on the rear seat, also particularly when vehicle is running on the highways with a high speed. So I thought that this information should spread by me for the awareness purpose. Thanking you. Thank you.